Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Students, today we solve practice set 3 of class 4 mathematics for your annual exam 2024-25 DAV Public School, Cuttack. So let us start the session. Today we solve mixed chapter question. So take pen and paper and start with me. First question number 1. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. First question number A. 2/5 of 65. Okay. So 2/5 we can write 2 by 5. Yes or no? Of means into 65. Now we can write 5, 13 is 65. So cancel. Now 13 into 2, that is 26. So answer is 26. Now, the area of the rectangle with length equal to 3 meter and the breadth equal to 12 centimeter. Here the unit are different. So first of all we convert into same unit, that is 3 meter equal to 300 centimeter. Now length given, breadth given. So area formula is length into breadth, that is 300 into 12, that is 12 3 is 3600 square centimeter. All of you understand? Next question number C. 12 kg 457 gram plus dash equal to 15 kg means, suppose the question is 2 plus dash equal to 5. How to find the dash? Now if you subtract 5 minus 2, then we get the number, that is 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Similarly, in these questions, we subtract 15 kg from 15 kg, that is 12 kg 457. Okay, so here is 000. Now subtract 0 minus 7, 10 minus 7, 3, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 4, that is 5. Here is 14. So 14 minus 12, that is 2. So answer is 2 kg 543 gram. Next question. 98006 milliliter equal to dash liter dash milliliter. If the milliliter is given, if you convert into liter, means 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, means we divide 1000 because we go small to big. Okay, so means if you divide 98006 divided by 1000, we get 980 liter and 006 milliliter. Or simply, if the milliliter is given, when you convert into liter, simply we remove the 3 digit from the right side. Now write the liter place, that is 980. So 980 liter and the remaining that is 6 or 006 or 6 milliliter. All of you understand? Suppose the question is 24729. So simply 3 digit we write in the milliliter place, that is 729 milliliter, and the remaining we write the liter place, that is 24 liter. All of you understand? Now complete the pattern. So 11 plus 2, that is 13. 13 plus 4 equal to 17. 17 plus 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now 2, 4, 6, now 8. So add 8, that is 8, 3, 11, 31. Again add 10, that is 41. Means 11 to 13 we add 2, then we add 4, then we add 6, then 8, then 10. So if we add 8 with 23, that is 31. 31 plus 10, that is 41. Clear? Next question. Answer the following question. Find the sum of 5 hour 59 minutes. So first of all write down hour, here is minute. So 5 hour 59 minutes with 2 hour 48 minutes. So addition 9 plus 8 17, carry 1, 5 plus 1 6 plus 4 10. Now here is 7, means 7 hour 107 minutes, but 107 minute is not exist. That's why we subtract minus 60, or if this digit is 10 or more than 5, we subtract 6, that is minus 6 or 60. So 7 minus 0, that is 7, 10 minus 6, that is 4. Now here is 8, simply we add 1. Now 8 hour 47 minutes. Or we can write in this way, so the sum is 7 hour 107 minutes, yes or no? So we can write 7 hour plus 107 minutes, we can write 60 minutes plus 47 minutes. Now in place 60 minutes we can write 1 hour. Here is 7 hour plus 47 minutes. Now 7 hour plus 1 hour, that is 8 hour 47 minutes. So answer is 8 hour 47 minutes. All of you understand? You can solve either this method or this method. Next, question number B. Find the area of the square with side 1 meter 15 centimeter. Important question, how to solve? First of all, write down side of square equal to 1 meter 15 centimeter. First of all, convert into centimeter, that is 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, that is 115 centimeter. Now we write the area of square equal to side into side is equal to 115 into 115, that is multiply. So here is 25, 11 and 12. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. That is 132, means the multiply is 13225 square centimeter. All of you clear? First of all, convert into meter into centimeter, that is 115 centimeter. Then find the area. The area formula is side into side. So multiply 115 into 115, then you get 13,225 square centimeter. Next question. Write the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. So tell me what is equivalent fraction. If you multiply either 1, 2, 3, 4 dot any number to numerator and denominator, we get the fraction is called equivalent fraction, yes or no? So the question is, see number I. So we find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 with a denominator 27, means denominator is 27, means only we find the numerator. So tell me, so 3 into how much? Now 3 into 9, that is 27. Similarly 2 into 9. So answer is I number 9 2 ja 18. So answer is 18. Similarly, write down 2i. 2 by 3 is equal to numerator equal to 32 divided by box. Now find the box. 2 into 16, that is 32. So 3 into 16 equal to how much? Now 48. So answer is 48. Next question. Find the volume of the cuboid. So tell me what is the volume of the cuboid? That is length into breadth into height. Now length is given. So write down D number. Length equal to 7 meter. Breadth equal to 2 meter less than length. That is 7 minus 2. Not 2. 7 minus 2 because breadth is less than length. That is length is 7. So breadth 2 less means 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 meter. Now the height is given, so height equal to 6 meter. So find the volume. So volume equal to length into breadth into height. So put the value, that is 7 into 5 into 6, that is 6 5 ja 30, 37 ja 7 3 ja 21, that is 210 cubic meter. Now next E number. Find the difference between. Difference means first we write down 7 kg and 34 gram. Now 34 kg 45 gram. Now subtract. So we know the gram is in the 3 digit. Here is 2 digit. So we put 0. Yes or no? Now solve. 4 minus 5, that is 14 minus 5, 9. 2 minus 4, 12 minus 4, that is 8. Here is 9. So 9 minus 0, 9. So 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 3 is 3. So 32 kg, 989 gram. It's very important question. Now next. Completed. If you want to download the PDF, then you can join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. In next video, we solve practice sheet 4. So thank you. All the best for your annual exam. Keep practicing. Take care.